Stock category summary. Stock category summary shows the transaction and stock summary of all items placed under the stock category. Select display statement of inventory categories and select a stock category. Select primary to get all top level stock categories and stock items to get stock category summary for the selected category. The contents of stock summary are described below. Multi-column option. Set yes, no to the following options as required. Each option affects multiple set of columns, opening, inward, outwards, closing. Quantity, rate, value. The following columns appear for opening balance, goods inwards, goods outwards, and closing balance. The option is applicable for all these columns if activated. For example, if yes is set at show quantity, quantity column will appear in the activated columns. Goods inwards, goods outwards, and closing balance, and like that for rate and value column. Quantity. At show quantity set yes to show the quantity column and the base unit, else set no to suppress the quantity column. Rate. At show rates set yes to show the rate column as per base UOM displayed with quantity figure, else set no to suppress the rate column. Values. At show values set yes to show the value column, else set no to suppress the value column. Opening, inwards, outwards, closing. Set yes to show the figures of the respective three column activated. Quantity, rate, value. Opening. At show opening balance set yes to show the figures of opening balance for the respective columns activated. Quantity, rate, value. Inwards. At goods show goods inwards set yes to show the figures of goods inwards for the respective column activated, that is quantity, rate, value. Outwards. At show goods outwards set yes to show the figures of goods outwards for the respective column activated, that is quantity, rate, value. Closing. At show closing balance set yes to show the figures of closing balance for the respective column activated, quantity, rate, value. The values quantity, rate, amount of each column of the column opening, inwards, outwards, closing are displayed according to the report period set through F2 period button for the respective columns. Set yes, no to the following option to show or suppress the columns as required. Item types. At show all items set yes to show the item even if all the displayed figure for the item is 0, else set no to suppress the item where the values of all the displayed column are 0. If any of the displayed column for the item is non-zero, the item will be displayed. Cost contribution. At show consumption and gross profit set yes or click F7 show profit hide profit button to show the consumption value, that is cost, and gross profit contribution for the sales outwards column. Gross is computed at sales value minus cost, else set no, the consumption value and gross profit column is not shown. Alternate unit. At show using alternate unit set yes to show the quantity in alternate units also for items having dual units, else set no, only the base unit is shown. Tail unit. At show tail units of compound units set yes to show the tail units of compound units, else set no, the base unit is shown with fraction values where applicable. Format. At expand all levels in detail format set yes to show the items up to the lowest level details. In detail mode, that is when F1 detail is selected, else set no, only next level items, item group or stock items are shown in detail mode. Subordinate details. On drill down from stock category, stock item, the next level report appear as follows. From stock category, the stock summary for the selected stock category appears, showing the next level stock category stock items. From stock items, the stock item monthly summary for the selected stock item appears, showing the month-wise figures for each month for the current period. Stock category summary buttons. At stock category summary, you get the following buttons. F1 condense detail, toggle button condense to show the top level stock category info only, detailed to show next level details of stock categories. F4 category, to select another stock category from the list of stock category to show the report for the other stock category. F7 show profit, hide profit to show stock item wise contribution, gross profit in respect of outwards.